Alright, I'm here with my brother and the black car that you guys saw in the garage, and we are at the recycling center to get rid of it. So, yeah, I'll show you guys what they do. I've already got it unstrapped. This was a V8 car, as you can tell by the trans tunnel being modified. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna get rid of it. So he's coming with a big ass claw machine, and he's gonna pick it up and then throw it in one of the piles. So that claw is like the size of the car. Fuck. You made it look like it was nothing. Jeez. To the glass. Oh, Jesus. Holy smokes. You can't see it. Well, that's it for that. So, hope you guys enjoyed. That one's a little quickie, but that's about it. So we just made it back from the scrapyard, and the car weighed 840 pounds as the dry chassis. That had no subframes, no fuel tank, no nothing. Just pretty much as bare as you can make it. But it gave us a whopping $11.25 out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So yeah, it helped contribute to
this burrito, fool.
to some lunch at Del Taco. So yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll get back to our regular scheduled stuff now that a car's out of the garage. So I have a whole bunch of fueling stuff, so we'll go ahead and build a fuel system for the actual race car here in a couple days. I'm just waiting for one more fuel pump and a couple fittings for the rails. But other than that, we're going to enjoy some Del Taco. So catch you guys later.